Good morning, listeners. This is your host Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Fintech, and you are listening to Night Snippets. Here is all what you need to know before going into trade for 15th September 2020. In the international news, Dow Jones Industrial Average ended 327 points higher, and Nasdaq, shrugging off 2-week losses, ended 181 points higher. Analysts in US say the upcoming Fed policy gathering could offer clues on how the central bank sees the economic outlook following a sharp decline in the unemployment rate in August. Analysts are also hoping for more clarity on the central bank's new framework of average inflation targeting, which aims for a sustained overshoot of inflation over 2% before the Fed contemplates tightening financial conditions. With all the eyes on the Fed meeting, the US 10-year benchmark closed at 0.68 percentage points, 1 basis points higher from previous close. In the crude oil market, because of the slump in the international oil prices, India's crude oil import bill was $12.4 billion in April to June quarter versus $36.2 billion for the same period in 2019, as information provided by Petroleum Minister Dharmendra Pradhan in Parliament yesterday. The Brent crude is trading stable at $39.54 per barrel with no major price moving news. Short positions created at $44 per barrel are still intact. In the currency market, DXY or dollar index has fallen marginally on the back of vaccine news and is trading at 93.01. The dollar fell by approx 0.3% across all major currencies. The dollar also fell by similar numbers against Chinese yuan as well, and the Chinese yuan is now trading at 679 on the back of weaker dollar continuing. Analysts are expecting 670 levels soon. Yesterday, USD INR closed at 73.48, as we had mentioned the anchor point at somewhere around 73.50. But today we expect USD INR to touch 73.20 levels, once again eyeing 73 levels soon. USD INR is expected to trade in 73.15 and 73.50 range today. In the domestic market, the Department of Financial Services has sent an official proposal to the Prime Minister's office to infuse 1.31 lakh crore rupees of capital into public sector banks through recapitalization bonds. Apart from State Bank of India and Bank of Baroda to an extent, no other bank's balance sheets are strong enough to handle the rising NPAs due to corona-led NPA crisis. On the economic data front, the provisional CPI data for the month of August came at 6.69 percentage points, and last month's provisional CPI of 693 has been revised to 673 percentage points. As we had done the scenario analysis yesterday, the CPI range of 640 to 670 is modestly bullish, as the fear of extremely high inflation and RBI MPC to take stronger measures are now at the backseat. We expect the benchmark yields to fall by 3 to 4 basis points soon or more. More importantly, the yields will not rise much faster for some time. Today's SDL auctions after low CPI will be a true test of market appetite and will give us a clear picture. Night stats will be available at your service with expected cutoff ranges by 10:30 a.m. The only unseen fear now is government's borrowing calendar, which will come in couple of weeks. But till then, we expect the rainbound market. That's it for today. You were listening to Night Snippets with Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Fintech. See you tomorrow with the new episode of Night Snippets. For your portfolio analysis, you can reach out to us on 9930307466. I repeat, 9930307466 or research@nightfintech.com.